When compressed air fuels your business's productivity, a well-designed and executed maintenance plan is critical for success. PackageCARE by Ingersoll Rand can protect productivity and your business every day of the year. Part of Ingersoll Rand's exclusive care programs, PackageCARE provides unlimited peace of mind by taking the worry out of asset management. With a PackageCARE agreement, you minimize risk by putting compressed air equipment in our experienced hands. Unlike warranty programs that only replace parts that fail, PackageCARE covers every component of your compressed air equipment. No stress, hassles, or fine print. That means all repairs are covered 100%. Fixed pricing for up to 10-year terms. Priority service and parts delivery where and when needed. And sophisticated diagnostics that prevent problems before they start. We'll even replace equipment if needed. Plus, you can add older units and rental compressors. No other program provides more protection to help you avoid downtime, system interruptions, and unexpected expenses. It's all the equipment coverage you'll ever need from a name you can trust. To learn more about which care maintenance agreement might be right for your business, take our Care questionnaire.